Hey guys, this is the Humbled Trader. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to open a Questrade account so you can start trading or investing in the stock market. I use Questrade for my TFSA investment account as well as my swing trading margin account in both US and Canadian dollars. In my opinion, they have the best customer service out there, much better than some of my other brokers. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you're on questrade.com. Once you're here, you click the top right green button that says open an account. And once you're in, you have to choose the kind of accounts you want to open with them today. There are many account types you can do. You can open a margin account for trading or swing trading, or a TFSA or RRSP account for long-term investing. I already have a TFSA account with them, so today I'll be opening a margin account for this demo. For the offer code here, you can use my offer code down below if you want to get $50 of free trade commission rebate. And I will also get the same back, so it's a win-win situation for both of us. So after you type that in, you click open now. So great, let's open your new account. So we'll do that here. You enter your first name, last name, email, and phone number information. And I'm gonna do the same really quick here. Just kidding. You'll obviously enter whatever information you need to. I'm just doing this as a demo. Now continue. Now we'll create our user ID. So you'll create that and your password. Confirm your password for all your login information here. And next. Here we'll enter your security questions, and I will just quickly do that really quick here. Great, now that we've entered our personal information, we'll build a profile. Also, you can see that down here, you can add new account. So if you were just opening a margin account, but now you want to open a TFSA or an RRSP altogether, you can do that right here as well. And next, and now we'll put in my employment information. So, employment type, I am unemployed. And what's my main source of income? I'm gonna put gambling. Obviously, you should put whatever information that applies to you. I'm just doing this as an example here. Nope, nope, and nope. And done. Next is the financial information. You enter annual income of, for me, it's obviously not $25 million. I'm pretty sure I'm adding a little bit too many zeros here. So you do all this information, your liquid assets, your fixed assets, and your liabilities. So I'll do that really quick right here. I took out a lot of zeros. Okay. And now next we have our citizenship information. I'm from Canada, so I'm gonna put Canadian. Were you born in the US? No, I am not. Are you a US person? Nope, not that I know of. Here you enter your social insurance number. And are you a tax resident of the United States? Nope, nope. And done. Now, we are finally done with our profile. Oh. Well, sorry, I forgot my personal information. Let me go ahead and finish that really quick. Okay, great. Now we can finally set up our account. So I'm gonna set up my TFSA right here, set up your account. Here's 3 steps to finish opening this account. Account details, okay. Do you want to trade options? Yes, I do. What is the purpose of this account? For me, it's probably all of the above, and you should click whatever applies to you. And I know their minimum deposit for any brand new account is $1,000, so I'm gonna put $1,000 right here, and done. Next, consent and communication. So you have to read all this information about where they're gonna send their financial statements, shareholder information, etc., etc. And I understand, and done. Now next, persons with financial interest. So for me, it's no. There's no people with financial interest in my life, sadly. Done. And agreements, and you read through all these Questrade agreements about clients, options trading, and the liability, etc., etc. Make sure you do that and accept. And after that, you're gonna click done after all that intense reading. And finally, we're done answering the account questions. Wow, okay, there's actually more forms to read and sign. And here you have to review and sign your documents. Obviously, I'm gonna blur this part out, but make sure you do read through all these legal documents with Questrade. And once you're done signing and initialing the document, you're gonna click finish. So after you're done with your profile, you've signed and submitted your documents. Last but not least, you're gonna upload your government issued ID. So whether that's your passport or your driver's license, you can do that here. I've already done that with my last account, so obviously I don't need to do that again. And after you've done that, last but not least, you're gonna fund your account. And again, $1,000 is the minimum. So there are a couple of ways that's really easy for you to fund your account. Online banking, Interact Online. For the transfer in an existing account, if you want to transfer an account from let's say a bank or another brokerage firm, you will click that here. I have another video on how to transfer your account, all in kind or all in cash. But for this demo, we're gonna do online banking. So online banking lets you set up direct deposit to your Questrade account from your own bank online banking. You do that by adding Questrade as a payee. And down here you get to select the bank you want to use. For today's demo, I will use RBC. I'll click fund. And this will take me to the RBC account. Obviously, you need to sign in to your own personal information. And what I'll do here is I'll go to pay bills. So I'll click on the right, add payee, and I'll search Questrade Inc. and search. And after that, I'll click Questrade. Yeah, that's the right one. And I'll add them as a payee. And now this is where you enter your account information, the account number you just created with Questrade, and confirm. Great. And after that, I am gonna pay bills. And I'll pay Questrade, and I'll put $1,000, and I just submit it. So after you do that, the money will take 1 to 2 business days to come into Questrade, and voila, that's how you open a Questrade account. I really like Questrade, and I use it to hold my Canadian and US dollar margin and TFSA accounts. They have amazing customer service and user interface. I hope this video helps you out. Please give me a like and subscribe if you found it useful. If you like, feel free to use my referral code or link down in the description below. You'll get $50 rebate, and I'll get the same as well. Please check out my channel for other videos related to brokers, Wealthsimple trade, or stock market trading in general. This is the Humble Trader. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.